In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to a page or post in Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to your main navigation. Find and open the Content section, then select Website Pages. This takes you to the area where you can manage and edit the pages that appear on your site. Next, locate the page or template you want to work on and select it to open the editor. If you are choosing from multiple layouts, make sure you pick the exact template that controls the page where you want the RSS feed to appear, since changes will only apply to the template you edit. Once the editor is open, look to the left sidebar and click the Edit tab. This is where you can add modules and adjust the content layout. In the same left sidebar, use the search field to look for a module called RSS listing. Searching is the fastest way to find it, especially if you have a long list of modules available. When you see the RSS listing module, drag it from the sidebar and drop it onto your page in the spot where you want the feed to show. Take a moment to place it carefully within the layout, because the position you choose will affect how it appears alongside your other page content. After you drop the module onto the page, click directly on the module. This opens the Options panel, where you can configure what content it pulls in. In the drop-down menu inside the Options panel, select External RSS Feed. This setting is important because it tells HubSpot that the feed source is coming from outside of your HubSpot blog. Now paste your RSS feed URL into the text field provided. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate, since even a small typo can prevent the feed from loading correctly. When the URL is in place, click Apply Changes to save your settings in the module. Finally, click Publish or Update, depending on whether the page is new or already live, so your changes go live for visitors. And that is all there is to it.